안녕하세요. Your Korean partner 아루사예요. In this video, you will learn how to use the conjunction or. Let's go! 갑시다! There are only 3 expressions to remember for or. When you connect nouns, you use 이나, 나, or 아니면. When you connect sentences, use 거나. 야식 좋아해요? 야식, midnight snack. 야식으로 피자나 햄버거 시켜요. Pizza, 자 doesn't have the final consonant, so you use 나, I order. 시켜요. 야식으로 for midnight snack, I order 족발 or 불닭발. 족발이나 불닭발 시켜요. 족발, 발 has leer for the last consonant, so we put 이나. 족발이나 I order. 시켜요. So use either 나 or 이나 depending on the existence of the last consonant. Choose 이나 or 나. Somehow, Korean people love to eat animals' feet. 족발, pig's feet, 닭발, chicken's feet. I hear that in Germany they have a dish called Schweinehaxe, which is pig's knees. It's not technically food, but kind of similar food. 야식. Each letter is Sino-Korean word. 야 means night, so 야식, night food. Oh, 식 means food. 야경, night view. When you see a word with 식, it is likely to be something related to food. 식당, restaurant. Another word you can use for 이나, 아니면. 피자 아니면 hamburger. 족발 아니면 불닭발. 아니면. Pop quiz. What present do you get your parents? Clothes, 옷. A meal, 식사. Perfume, 향수. Flower, 꽃. 저는 옷 아니면 화장품을 사요. How about you? Speak out loud, please. Where do you go on vacation? Mountain, 산, beach, 해변 or sea, 바다. Hometown, 고향, abroad, foreign country. 해외, 해외. Where do you go on vacation? 저는 바다나 해외에 가요. 바다 아니면 해외에 가요. How about you? Cool. 좋아요. Now, when connecting sentences, we need 거나. You know the rule. Get rid of the verb ending and put 거나. When my body feels heavy and tight, 몸이 찌뿌둥하면 찌뿌둥. 몸이 찌뿌둥하면 목욕하거나 찜질방에 가요. When I'm hungry, I cook or order delivery food. 배고프면 요리하거나 배달시켜 먹어요. Or let's switch the sentences. 배고프면 배달시키거나 요리를 해요. Easy, huh? 쉬워요. Pop quiz. When you are hungry in the middle of a night, what do you eat? What food do you eat? So think of 2 food names. 나는 먹어요. Very good. Now, use 2 of these verbs in your answer. Order, 시키다, eat. 먹다, cook. 요리하다, endure. 참다. Choose 2 verbs and make a sentence, please. Are you done? Easy, you just put blah blah 거나, that's it. Cool, very good. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit 좋아요와 구독 please. 감사합니다. 안녕.